はぎだらけの君との時間をそろそろ終わりにしよう。この愛しき彩りの道があるでしょ。ねえまあの時のことを重ねた無駄な時間、この愛しきるだけ不揃い。
We're here. We're gonna claim the ticket.
Yeah. We are claiming.
Stop tracking me. Okay.
We are claiming ticket.
Ah, nilipat na nila si Mary Grace.
Mary Grace's place.
Wow.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Looks like a lot of people had the same idea.
Yo, look. Who can we meet up with?
Oh, Sai's already in line na daw for the merch.
Oh.
And Yama's roaming around. You got his merch. Wait! Show your merch.
Nak, show your merch.
Show your merch. Tayo ka dyan. Yeah.
They're playing pickleball. It's like the more accessible tennis. Version of this. There's a stir fry version of this. This one has soup, and I don't want to drink cheesy soup. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm assuming what they call a pro game move, but we got one the radioactive cheese, or Korean radioactive cheese. That it'll make like see, this is my magnum opus. This is the best you're gonna get.
I love
Powder extraordinary. Help me, I'm being consumed by media. Look at MX3. This is not sponsored by MX3.
Emmy's here again.
Totally not plugging.
Oh my god.
There it is, Kim. That's what I said.
Oh my god, you have
Oh, there's a DG. Whatever that is.
Miggy is leading the way.
Oh. We're across the street again. Monkey thinking.
Cute. Walking to the arena. No, my video is shaky now because I'm not using my gizmo.
It's okay.
I'm giving these. Oh yeah, sorry. I got something from you. Thank you.
Look at her go. Fist bump on camera. Yeah. We're moving to the crowd right now. Kyla! Yeah! Sai! Fist bump! Camera! Yes! I can't track it on ×3. I was zooming it into your no. Nah, she's fine. She's got this. I have a second pocket. Give me what you need in the second pocket. This is a trading circle. This is a trading circle. Oh, oh, that's me, and that's you.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cut that over there.
Look at her going around, socializing, going through her fellow Mikus. There she is in the wild. There she is in the wild. Whoa! Whoa! There she is in the wild.
That was so nice.
You're beating me always. In 3, 2, 1.
Now let's try out. Tinaas mo yung sigo.
What do you have there?
No, dude. Okay, give me a song. Make a song. Any song you want.
Rose ascending.
Okay. 16. Okay. 7.
Not happening.
I will put my role on Weekender Girl.
4. You know, already know the set list. What do you do? No. No! Okay. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is called Puter TV.
Wait.
Puter TV.
Wait.
Merch line is ginormous.
That's where we met for the first time.
There. This is real. Stop laughing. I was shouting. I feel it already. Who are you with? I think she went down there. She went down.
Like you can put in that.
There's so many Mikus. Oh wait, there's a video. Wait. Okay. I found him. Okay, here you go. Because we were planning to go up so much. Okay. Thank you so much.
Finger and he moaned. I don't know what to do, dude. I feel violated.
Yeah.
He's over there, officer. He's over there.
Oh my god, Miku lights. Everywhere I look, I see her.
Everywhere I look.
Oh my god, it's Miku. Oh, it's Len. Oh.